Hello, I hope you're doing well. In this video, we want to solve this nice math problem that say if x plus square root of x is equal to 1, what is the value of x power 3 plus 1 over x power 3? In the first step, let's assume that square root of x is equal to a variable like y. So we can say x is equal to y squared. Now we can rewrite this equation like this. Y squared plus y is equal to 1. From the left side of the equation, we can factor out y. So we can write y times y plus 1 is equal to 1. From these terms, we know that x cannot be equal to 0. And from this one, we know that y cannot be 0 too. So we can divide both sides of the equation by y. So these two terms can cancel together. And we have y plus 1 is equal to 1 over y. Okay, let's talk about x. We can write x plus 1 over x is equal. Instead of x, we can write y squared, and instead of 1 over x, we can write 1 over y squared. So y squared plus 1 over y squared. This is equal to, we write this term y squared plus. According to this equation, instead of 1 over y, we can write y plus 1. So we can write y plus 1 all power 2. Let's rewrite this equation. We have x plus 1 over x equal to y squared plus. Instead of this term, we can write y squared plus 2 times y times 1 plus 1 squared or 1. And this is equal to 2y squared plus 2y plus 1. In these two terms, we can factor out 2. So we can write 2 times y squared plus y. According to this equation, we know that y squared plus y is equal to 1. So this term is equal to 1. And 2 times 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. So x plus 1 over x equal to 3. We need this equation in future. So let's rewrite that. In the next step, I want to write this equation x plus 1 over x equal to 3 and apply power 3 to both sides of the equation. So, according to these tips, a plus b power 3 is equal to a power 3 plus 3 times a squared times b plus 3 times a times b squared plus b power 3. According to this tip, we can write this equation like this. X power 3 plus 3 times x squared times 1 over x plus 3 times x times 1 over x squared plus 1 over x power 3. Now we can simplify this equation like this. And we know that this term is the left side of the equation, and this is equal to 3 power 3 or 27. This is 1 over x power 3. Okay, now I want to rewrite this equation like this. X power 3 plus 1 over x power 3 plus these two terms 3x plus 3 over x, and this is equal to 27. In these two terms we can factor out 3, so we can write 3 times x plus 1 over x. From here we know that x plus 1 over x is equal to 3, so instead of this part we write 3. So x power 3 plus 1 over x power 3 plus 9 is equal to 27. And as a last step, we can add minus 9 to both sides of the equation, and final answer is here. X power 3 plus 1 over x power 3 is equal to 27 minus 9 or 18, and this is our final answer. Thanks for watching until the end, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.